Hey guys, it is time for an Aldi Keto haul. Now you might notice not everything is keto, hence the pretzels, donuts, pineapple, milk, cereal and Pop-Tarts, bread, but I only spent $92 on everything that you see here that is on the table. So we are going to go through this. And I will tell you what is keto, what is not, what is for the kids. A lot of people like to see the things that I get for the kids, so I'm just going to show you everything that I got. Alright, so first, Tiffany got some Little Debbie mini powdered donuts. Next, I've never seen this before, the coconut LaCroix. So I picked some of that up. Where's my receipt? If I had, I can try to tell you guys what everything is. So, the LaCroix was $4.29. Then I got some unsweetened almond milk, which I absolutely love, and I'm getting the kids to drink more of that. They've been drinking it a little bit more often. That was $1.69. I usually get my eggs from Walmart, and I get the 60 pack of eggs, but I'm going to be doing a meal prep later today, so I didn't want to run out and I didn't feel like going to Walmart, so I got 2 packs of the eggs, which were, how much were the eggs? $1.09 each. Every time I go to Aldi, I get these for the kids. It's something that they can snack on. They're only 59 cents a bag, so I like to get these pretzels. I actually got this at Big Lots, so get rid of that. Got a couple cans of the solid white tuna in water, and those were 69 cents. These were 35 cents. I just got some diced tomatoes. I got a couple of things of the heavy whipping cream, which were, how much were these? $1.55 each. I got cucumbers were on sale for 35 cents each. I got 4 cucumbers. Gonna have to clean those up in the meal prep. I got 5 avocados. Those were 53 cents. I got a nice bag of spinach that I'm gonna mix in with my romaine for salads and meal prep some salads. That was $1.19. I went ahead and got another bag of the romaine hearts, which I always get every time I'm there. What that was, I just seen the price, $1.99. I like to put sunflower kernels on salads or just have as a snack, and I got the sunflower kernels. They were $1.59. And then I got these pumpkin seeds already shelled. They were, what were these, like $2, $2.19 papitas. Yes, I'll get to that. Kids milk, I got them 2 things of milk. I think milk was $1.20 there. I got them Frosted Flakes, Honey Crunches and Oats, Raisin Bran, and shredded wheat, which I don't remember buying. Tiffany must have threw that in the bag, and honestly, I don't even know the prices on those. What were they? Like $1.39, $1.89. They were all around there. I got these cubed cheese. I'm going to separate those and put them into some little baggies for snacks with like some celery and radish and stuff like that. The cheese cubes were $1.99 each. Tiffany, how much was the yogurts? They were on sale 29 cents each on sale. So Tiffany picked up some yogurts. This is a wish list item for Reese. They had this around Christmas time, but with Christmas candy in it, and Reese just really liked this jar, and he really wanted the candy. So we came across it again, and I think it was like $4. What was this? Tutti Frutti, $4.99. So we're going to go ahead and keep the jar, and when it's done, we'll peel the sticker off, and we'll just keep it and use it for candies. Pineapple was on sale for $1.29, so we got that. I like to get this for the kids. I did not get any peanut butter and jelly, which is what they usually eat. But this ham was $3.19 for a pound. I got these snap peas, which I'm going to also put in with the cheese and everything, which those were $2.29. Then I got 4 little bags of radish, which were 59 cents each. These are something that I love to get. The cheddar brats. Cheddar brats were $2.49 each. I got a head of cabbage. I do not recall how much the cabbage was. My throat is a little... I got these toaster tarts. Toaster tarts? Toaster tarts. They were $1.09 each, and we got 3 packs of those for the kids. I got some fresh peeled garlic. Garlic was... How much was your garlic? Oh, that cabbage was $1.49. Garlic. I don't see my garlic. Garlic. Oh, $2.79 for the peeled garlic. I got this pack of 75% lean, 25% fat burgers. The burgers were $7.79. I got, the kids really like this strawberry flavored applesauce. So I got 2 packs of those, and those were running me $1.19 each, which isn't bad. And then I got some beef stock and some chicken stock. Those were $1.94 each for the stocks. These raisins, these packs of raisins are 99 cents. I got 2 packs of those. I picked up some fresh asparagus. The asparagus was $1.89. And then I got 2 packs of each of the ramen. The kids really like to eat that like after school. That was $1.94. And then 2 packs of white bread, which was 85 cents each. Also at Big Lots, I picked up this super cute utensil container and this tablecloth because my table is so scratched up, but it's still a table. It still works, but I'd like my kitchen to look nicer. So got this tablecloth and I got this. So I'm excited to use that. And I think that's it. Oh, that's not it. I also picked up these hand towels. They were in the clearance aisle at Big Lots for $6. There's 4 of them. They're nice. I like the material for these. These are nice, and you can never have enough kitchen towels. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on my meal prep. So you'll probably see that in another video. But yep, $92 at Aldi, and this is what you can get.